A kingfisher has just flown into the kitchen. Dude, there's a cactus there. You're going to be getting all over it. Come on. I know. Oh, look at you. You're terrified. If you want to bite me, go for it, okay? Oh, I'll put you on your back. Okay, so, legs all look good. Oh, you're okay, aren't you? Yeah? You're just in shock, sweetheart. I'm going to put you over here by the river. It's all right. Look at you. So this is my new friend. His name is Kingfish. He's beautiful. Just going to stroke his little head like that. I've checked. He's not got any like cactus barbs in him from... Oh, hey, look at that. He's fine.